Need to replace the battery in your 2021-2023 GMC Yukon, Yukon XL, or Denali key fob? It's a simple DIY task. These models use a standard CR232 battery. You'll need a new CR232 battery, Energizer or Duracell are good options, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob, and a clean, dry workspace. Working in a dry area is important. Also avoid static discharge to prevent circuit damage. The battery itself will cost about $5 to $10. Replacing the battery yourself can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealer service. Remember, the fob operates at 314 MHz frequency, and a battery voltage drop below 2.5 volts will trigger a low battery warning on your Yukon's dashboard. First, carefully pry open the key fob using your flat tool. Insert the tool into the small slot on the side of the fob and gently twist. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery. Note the positive plus side faces up when installed correctly. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the key fob case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob's functionality. In some cases, you might need to reprogram the fob by pressing lock-unlock buttons while cycling the ignition. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, consult your Yukon's owner's manual for specific reprogramming steps or visit a dealer. Using non-conductive tools will help you avoid short circuits and further damage.